Hello YouTube, and welcome to the beginning stages of my mohawk phase. Could be better. I'm thinking of making it blue or green. Let me know in the comments. So today I'm just going to be doing a little quick unboxing of a couple things. So I got some sleeveless muscle shirts to go with the mohawk. We're going for a casual punk phase. Of course, the classic, as well as the future and the new age. That's all I have to say about them. You know what? If this is gonna be a viral video, let's put one on. The new look is coming along. Can you imagine this with blue or green hair? It's a thing, guys. And sooner or later, you're gonna have to accept it. Alright, let's go to the next package. I think this is a book, but I don't know what book it is. So we're just gonna see. Ooh, it has some moldy spots or some age. It's just age. It's makes it more beautiful. Ooh, okay. Temple Magic by William Gray. I have not read this book yet, but it is probably going to be really good because this guy is very smart occultist, very good writer, and an icon of the modern occult movement. Okay, and the last one that I want to unbox. I am very excited about this. I have needed to get a new phone for a long time, and I've had to be very patient, save up money, and get to a place where I can afford it. And now, I splurged and got myself a new phone. And with this new phone will come a new lifestyle. Because I've been an Android person since as far back as I can remember. And that's all about to change. Because I love AirPods and I have a MacBook. So this is the operating system we're working with. And I got the bright red one. Of course. It's going to be super iconic for selfies and Instagram. Wow. New lifestyle. New me. New Austin is free for 2020. New Austin is alternative for 1. And pop for 2. And for 3, ooh, that's what number 3 is. That's the unboxing. My proof draft for my new book. And I mean, I am super, super, super excited. It is going to be, something that I'm going to remember my whole life and have my whole life. This is another one of my marks on the page of my life. This will be in my bookshelf probably forever. And it's something I've worked for years on, and experiences that have happened to me and my family throughout my whole life. It's some of my most vivid dreams, some of my most vivid supernatural experiences, and in all wrapped up in a package of a book that I think people should read these days. The regular people. I wrote it knowing that a lot of different types of people would read it, of different spiritualities, different ages, and this is what I want to say about dreams and sleep. And I do think that dreams and sleep are extremely important. Anyway, that was my unboxing. Well, I am super excited. I'm going to set up my new phone, and this is going to make my life so much easier. You guys won't believe what I've been doing for the past few months. This is how I have to type on my BlackBerry with a virtual keyboard when I have a physical keyboard here, because I dropped it in a puddle and the spacebar stopped working. Well, now I have a waterproof phone, so I don't have to worry about that. But I don't have physical buttons, so that kind of sucks. But anyways, it's a new lifestyle. I'll get used to it, and I'm sure it'll work a lot better with all my other technologies. Stay dreamy, my friends. Peace.